Curriculum studies can be done using economics methods. Curriculum studies can be done with psychological format. So you should not consider education as a discipline. Education is a phenomenon. Education is also a man-made phenomenon. That is, humans created the education phenomenon. So if you look at our schools of education or research, you're basically doing studies of a very small piece of education. Curriculum, students, classrooms, teachers, school leaders, all this kind of thing. They're just tiny bit of that. So when we use the term interdisciplinary, it's actually a misnomer. It's not exactly right, because education itself is interdisciplinary. And that's why when I was listening, when you guys were talking about qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods, or whatever method you use, I think it's actually not very meaningful. It's not very meaningful because everything has to do with what your research angle is, where you want to go, what matters is very important. So I really want to talk to you about when you conduct educational research, there are really two significant sets of outcomes you have to be paying attention to. One is called the intended outcome. Another one is called the side effects. I have taught in many different universities, and I review a lot of files as well. I've had many students. Their biggest problem is finding the question that matters. How do you find a question that matters? First thing, again, is to liberate yourself, to go beyond whatever discipline you think you are studying. Publishing, of course, is good, but publishing something meaningful is even better. And something meaningful has to do with the question you ask, with the question. So read books about sociology, again, history, philosophy. Broaden yourself as a scholar. You are an educational scholar.